Hello everyone. In this module, we'll be learning key skills and tools in computer science engineering. Essential skills for computer science engineering are problem solving, where the ability to analyze problems, break them down, and develop effective solutions. And then we have logical thinking, that is, capacity to think critically and apply logical reasoning to programming and system design. Then we have analytical skills, proficiency in data analysis, identifying patterns and extracting insights. Next we have communications, strong verbal and written communication skills to collaborate and convey technical concepts. Now, we'll have a small introduction to programming languages. So, programming languages are tools for writing instructions that computers can execute. Example: Python, Java, C++. First, let's understand what is Python. Python is a simple and versatile language used in various domains including data analysis and web development. Below we have given you a logo of Python. Next we have Java, which is popular for building large-scale software applications used in areas like Android development. And then we have C++. It is widely used for systems programming, game development, and performance critical applications. Below we have given logo of both Java and also C++.